Hi, Professor TA and the class of 5810, section 001. Today I am recording this video for the reading assignment 4 and I choose the topic mining data streams a review. Coming to the summary, across the globe we have innumerable amount of data available, and each data has a different kind of measurements available in the various fields. The data streams are continuous and have high fluctuations. Coming to some examples of data streams, like they are network traffic logs, sensor networks, etc. And the query storage and data mining for these sets are very complex due to their fluctuating behavior patterns. Mining data streams refers to extracting useful knowledge from the patterns and models in non-stopping streams of information. Like most of the data is of this nature, hence data stream mining plays a vital role. There are several applications available to perform data stream mining, but it can vary based on the field, scientific, astronomy, business, or financial purpose. As per the recent advancement, there is a rapid increase in the generation of data rates than earlier. This increase has challenged the storage, query, and computation abilities. This paper reviews the data stream analysis, and it critically evaluated the techniques and the data stream systems. This is the overall summary of the mining data streams, which is a review. Coming to the critical analysis, which I have done, like there are a theoretical foundation review. In order to have a solution for data mining stream, there are two approaches, like the statistical and the computational approach. The solutions can be compromised of two techniques again, like the statistical and computational, which I have said. Like statistical is nothing but the database techniques, and the computational is nothing but the task-based techniques. Coming to the database techniques, in the database techniques, we inspect only a subset of out of the whole data set, or the transformation for the data is done either vertically or horizontally to a smaller size. In simple words, database techniques are the ones where we choose a chunk of data sets from the whole data set and analyze it. The database techniques can be performed in again two stages. The first stage is sampling, load, shredding, and sketching. Coming to the sampling, sampling is the oldest database techniques, and it refers to the process of finding the probabilistic choice of data that needs to be processed or not. In sampling, the error rate is computed based on the sampling rate. The sampling size of the given data stream is calculated using the mathematical derived loss functions. The drawbacks for the sampling is unknown data size for data stream analysis. As the data size is unknown, it is difficult to find the error bounds. There are anomalies in the surveillance analysis, and it is not applicable for the application. And the third thing is that third drawback is that it can't handle the fluctuated streams of data rates. The resolution: a thorough investigation must be done to understand the relationship between three parameters: data rate, error bounds, and sampling rates. This is about the sampling. Coming to the load shredding, like load shredding refers to the process of shredding, dropping, or slicing the data stream sequences. It is used in query the data stream successfully. It does not have a similar drawbacks to sampling, but there are a couple of drawbacks which are having in load shredding. The drawbacks are, as this technique drops or shreds or slices a chunk of data stream, and it is difficult to work with mining algorithms where the unsliced data is useful for the structuring of the models. Like coming to the resolution, this type of technique is most beneficial in time series analysis. Coming to sketching, sketching refers to the process of sampling the data streams vertically. Like it is the most used technique compared to other data stream techniques, and is also used in aggregate queries. The drawbacks are it has low accuracy, very difficult to use, and the resolution which we took is that the principal component analysis, the PCA, can be used in streaming applications. Yeah, this is all about the first stage where we have learned about sampling, load shredding, and sketching. And I have explained it in detail regarding the sampling, load shredding, and sketching. Coming to the second stage, like synopsis, data structure, and aggregation. Like synopsis data structures. Like this is the process of applying summarization techniques, which in turn summarizes the data stream that can be used for further analysis. Like synopsis data structures are histograms, quantiles, wavelet analysis, and frequency movement. Coming to the drawbacks, it doesn't summarize or give all the characteristics of a data set. And in the second stage, the second synopsis data, it is aggregation. Aggregation is the technique that is used to compute the statistical values such as mean and variance for the data stream. This data is further used by the mining algorithms. Coming to the drawbacks, the performance is very low for highly fluctuating data streams, and the resolution is merging the online aggregation with offline mining. Maybe this could be a greater resolution. And coming to the task-based technique, it uses the computational theoretical foundation to produce space and time efficient solutions. These methods either modify the existing techniques or reinvent new ones to combat the computational problems in data stream processing. There are three task-based techniques: sliding window, approximate algorithms, and algorithms output granular. Approximate algorithms. This technique majorly deals with the designing algorithms to overcome computational problems. These approximation algorithms give an approximate solution with some error bounds. It has been the direct solution to data stream mining issues when compared to the mining algorithms, which are constrained by its features of speed and continuity. Drawbacks: it is a resource constraint, so the data rate problem can be solved using this technique. Coming to the sliding window, the idea behind this technique is the user is majorly concerned with the analysis of the most recent income data streams. This technique helps to give an elaborated analysis of the most recent data streams and summarized version of old data streams. And we don't have any drawbacks for the sliding window. And coming to the algorithm output granularity, AOG. This is the first technique that has been introduced, resource-aware data analysis. This method can overcome difficult challenges such as fluctuating data rates, which memorize with memory and processing speed with it, which is time constraint. The AOG has three stages: mining, adapt to research data stream rates, and merging the generated structures when running out of memory. Coming to the mining techniques, using the above theoretical approach to the data stream problems and applying them to the data stream mining techniques, there were several algorithms used for extracting useful information from the data streams. The few techniques to review are clustering, classification, frequency counting, and time series analysis. Coming to the clustering of the data streams is performed using the K-median technique. The clustering also uses the AOG algorithm and adjusts the distance between data sets available in different clusters. Classification, it addresses the concept of drifting data streams and hence establishes a general data mining framework. Frequency counting, it is used to calculate the frequency patterns for the most recent data streams transactions. It results in the approximate solution to the most recent data sets by releasing the older ones. Time series analysis, to overcome two major problems in time series analysis: relax periods and average lengths, the algorithm uses sketching techniques. These are all the mining techniques which are discussed now and explained. Coming to the results, like most of the mining techniques have a server different purposes. All the above four techniques use the AOG algorithms, and among the above three techniques provide an approximate solution, while the time series analysis has provided the proven efficiency for the two different data sets, real and synthetic data streams. These are the results, and coming to the conclusion, task-based and database techniques are the two data mining algorithms, and based on it, a myriad number of cluster classification, frequency counting, and time series analysis have been implemented. There are several systems available that use these techniques in real time, as data stream mining has some problems and it needs to improve in the business and financial fields. Questions to ask. I have two questions to ask here. In the mining techniques, can we take the data which is not the recent one, but still can we get the approximate solution? This is one of the questions which I have. And the second one is that do we have any other techniques apart from the sketching techniques to overcome the time series analysis? These are the questions which I wanted to ask, and thanks for giving me the opportunity, Professor. And thank you, class section 001 of 5810.